Hello, this is Sergey from ProperSoft, and today I will show you how to convert a transaction file to OFX format and import into Xero. We will use Bank2OFX converter, and you can download it at propersoft.net. Once downloaded and installed, start Bank2OFX and select a transaction file. You can select OFX file, QBO file, QIF file, QFX file, and PDF file. For this example, we will use a PDF file. Make sure that when you load the file, dates are correct, year on dates is correct, amounts are in correct columns, description, check numbers, all details you expect from transactions are correct. And for PDF files, you may use different libraries. If your PDF file is not parsed correctly, you may try different library and get better results. Before converting to OFX file, make sure to select the accounting software you importing into, and if it's not listed, you may just select a regular OFX file that if your accounting software imports regular OFX file, then it should be fine. And if you have, for example, Xero, then it may have supplied different details that only Xero supports. And before converting to OFX file, make sure to set account ID and use different account ID for multiple accounts. So if you convert several PDF files for same account, use the same account ID for those files. And when you switch to another account, for example, credit card files, then make sure to change the account ID so it's different from the batch you created for another account. The account type is important as well to set. So if it's checking account, make sure to set checking account. If it's credit card, make sure to set credit card. Currency is important as well to set. So you have to set the currency to match what you have in your accounting software. If your accounting software requires end balance to be supplied or bank ID or branch ID, make sure to set those as well. To create an OFX file, click the convert button and confirm the file name and the file location. Now you're ready to switch to your accounting software. In this example, we're going to use Xero. And in Xero, open the account you need to import your data into and look for import statement link or button. In your accounting software, if it's not Xero, it could be upload statement, import bank statement, or something similar. Browse for the OFX file you just created and click import. And your transactions are important. Now you have to match them to vendor records and set additional details that Xero expects you to set, and it's all done. And thank you for watching.